Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve FIFA mobile keeps stopping. Do you know how to fix or how to solve FIFA mobile keeps stopping a lot? You should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to this window of FIFA mobile. Then here in this list we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, but don't click here clear data because that can make a lot of problems on FIFA mobile app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.